A large group of people in Katsina State, Nigeria, took to the streets to protest on Sunday, showing support for Iran and speaking out against the leaders of the United States and Israel. The protest was held in solidarity with Iran as tensions rise between Iran and Israel. Many believe the United States, led by President Donald Trump, is supporting Israel in the conflict. The protesters were unhappy with this and wanted to show that they stand with Iran instead. A video shared on social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, showed the youth marching in large numbers. They carried a huge banner with face of Iran's supreme leader and a map of Iran. But that's not all. The same banner showed pictures of Trump and Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, and their faces were crossed out. This symbolized that the protesters rejected both leaders. The protest got a lot of attention online. A video clip of the protest, which was shared by X user Chooks Eric, with the caption "Northern youth in Katsina stage a protest in support of Iran," shows how world events can affect people in different parts of the globe. Continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.